Strangers in the night. God will judge us here, the waif gloated. He had long been doing that at unpredictable moments all during this long ride across the desert. Shiana appeared not to notice, but Waif's voice and comments had begun to wear on Aldrade. The rakin' sun had moved far down to the west, but the worm that carried them appeared untiring in its drive across the ancient Serir towards the remnant mounds of the Terrence barrier wall. Why this direction? Aldrade wondered. No answer satisfied. The fanaticism and renewed danger from Waif, though, demanded immediate response. She called up to the cant of the charade that she knew drove him. All righty, hello. Well, I'm curious, how does this sound to you? I guess I could have had the phone on and then I would have known, what it sounded like. But, the problem I have is that when I talk to people, I have a problem maintaining this voice, and I need to work on that, I suppose. But maybe some of it is just getting used to it, getting used to myself talking this way. I don't know. It's so weird. Because I want to sound authentic, right? That's what it comes down to. But I'm trying to, again, I'm talking to a monitor here. I'm not talking to a person. Very different. Pikachu here. I'm talking to Pikachu. Hello, Pikachu. How are you? But see, I know Pikachu's not real. You're not real, are you? No.